Hi, here we have a rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 centimeters. Then the ratio of length of the largest to the smallest side of the rectangle is what? So we have a semicircle. Okay, let this be the semicircle. We are drawing a rectangle of the largest possible area. So the rectangle will be something like this. The base of the rectangle or the length of the rectangle will be on the diameter of the semicircle. This is going to be the center, and let's say this is the radius. This radius is given to us as 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, if let's say the width is B and this part is A, so the length of the rectangle is 2A, the length is 2A and the width is B. So from here in this triangle, this is going to be 90 degree, right? So in this triangle, we can say 2 square should be equal to A square plus B square. 2 square should be equal to A square plus B square. So 4 should be equal to A square plus B square over here, right? And now we need to calculate the largest, since we want to maximize the area of the rectangle over here is length, which is 2A, into width, which is B. So area is twice of A into B. Now to maximize area, we need to maximize the product of A into B. Correct? How do we maximize product of A into B? Let's see. If you remember, there is a property when you have two numbers, AM is always greater than or equal to their GM. Arithmetic mean of two numbers, or any number of numbers in fact, arithmetic mean of positive numbers is always greater than or equal to their geometric mean. So considering the two numbers A square and B square, okay. So A square, so arithmetic mean of these two numbers will be sum of these two numbers divided by 2. This will always be greater than the geometric mean. Geometric mean will be square root of the product of the two numbers. Okay. Now A square plus B square is 4. We have already calculated that. So 4 by 2 is 2. This should always be greater than square root of A square into B square is A into B. So we have A into B should always be less than equal to 2. So what is the maximum possible value of A into B? The maximum possible value of A into B is 2. Okay. So the question is, then the ratio of the lengths of the largest to the smallest side of the rectangle is what? So we need to calculate the ratio of length. Fine. So what we need to do is we need to calculate the ratio of length and width. 2A is to B. This is what we need to calculate. Fine. So again, coming back to this property AM greater than GM or equal to GM. So we have figured out now that A into B should be equal to 2 to maximize the area. That means we are looking at the equality. And when does the equality happen? Equality happens when both these numbers that we are considering are equal. AM is equal to GM when the numbers under consideration are equal. That means A should be equal to B. So this effectively gives us that A should be equal to B, and if A is equal to B, the ratio of length and width, A is equal to B, so this gets cancelled out, the ratio becomes 2:1. So the correct answer here is option A. Thank you.